How to find breakout setups? In order to find breakout setups, you need to run scans like 4% breakout and dollar breakout, for which I've done multiple videos. And if you're still struggling to find good breakouts, those of you who are attending the boot camp in the next 2 weeks, you will get a lot of practice, because I am going to present like at least 100 examples of good breakouts, and then again, like, and participants will get an opportunity to practice this hands-on, because the skill really is to find these breakouts as and when they are happening. So after running all the scans, these are some of the selected breakouts. CIFS, which I pointed out during the day itself, CIFS float is very low, 6.7 million, and it is up around 12%, close near the high. So it was a negative day prior to breakout. Okay, CME, this is again very nice breakout. Again, I pointed this out during the day, and this is breaking out from a consolidation, around 2 months of consolidation, close near the high. Stock was in dollar breakout. Okay, scan. All these things you will find like if they're breaking out, you should be able to find them in the first half an hour most of the time, because the scans will capture them. You just have to run the scan and know what to look for. Queen Street Incorporated, it is up 38.91% on earnings breakout, and also has sent out alert on watching it for as an EP, possible EP, where if it sets up. Which was pointed out by a lot of people. Basically, it was also an anticipation setup, very nice setup. Earnings 5 to 2018, so that's not a problem. COMM, Comscope Holding, see again, like, and the stock is breaking out, very nice, close near the high, volume was high. NTB, this was an anticipation setup for a couple of days, now it is breaking out finally. Again, CSTM, which I pointed out early in the morning also, again it was an anticipation setup. Then EZPW's breaking out on earnings. Earnings are like, the sector stocks are breaking out. These are all payday lenders. Many of them, because of the regulatory changes, the rules being relaxed on these kind of companies, they're going up. I wouldn't chase it like this. I would wait for it to set up as a pullback probably. But if you got in early, then that was a nice breakout. On the short side, PAH, the counter trend bounce here. The stock was down. See, trend intensity was down. A lot of times on these kind of stocks, you get this kind of bounces and they fail, and volume was high, close near the low. Vascular biogenics, again another one of those. See, 1 2 3 4 days of a bearish flag, and from where it is breaking down, close near the low. PNM, utilities have been really decimated, so this was a counter trend bounce and it failed. That's the kind of short setup I like. And FMC, which had a big drop here, and this is a follow through move from that big drop. Again, stock had made a big move. Stocks which make a big move, when they break down and if they have a weak counter trend bounce, those tend to produce good results, because something which has gone up a lot, if it gets going, can go down a lot. So those are the stocks which are there. The key really to finding them is to have the right kind of setups and know what to look for in it, and which I keep reiterating again and again every day on the site. So if you know what to look for in a 4% breakout or a dollar breakout, you should be able to find this on your own intraday, or during the first half an hour or 1 hour, as and when they show up in scans.